Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. And the given function is what? Y is equal to x all over 2 minus tangent x. So we are going to apply quotient rule to differentiate this function. And we recall quotient rule formula, which is going to be what? dy over dx is equal to what? V du over dx minus u dv over dx, then everything all over v squared. So what do you notice in this formula? We write v, we differentiate u with respect to x, we multiply them, minus we write u, we multiply by the derivative of v with respect to x, then everything all over v squared. Now we're going to let this numerator to be u, then this denominator to be v. So using this formula, the derivative of that function with respect to x is now going to be equal to v. We write v, which is 2 minus tangent x, then multiply by the derivative of u with respect to x. And u is x. Derivative of x with respect to x is the same as 1. Then minus u. We write u, which is x, then multiply by the derivative of v with respect to x. When we differentiate 2 is constant, it's going to be 0. And when we differentiate negative tangent x, is going to give us what? Negative sec square x. Then everything all over v square. And v is what? 2 minus tangent x, then all square. Now we're going to simplify this further. 1 multiplied by everything here is going to be the same as what? 2 minus tangent x. Then minus multiplied by minus is going to be positive x, then sec square x. Then everything all over 2 minus tangent x, then all square. We're not going to stop at here. We're going to recall our trigonometry identity. Tan x, if you simplify tan x from trigonometry, is going to be the same as what? Sin x all over cos x. And when we simplify sec square x, is the same as 1 all over cos square x. So this is going to be equal to what? 2 minus, in place of tan x, we replace what? Sin x all over cosine x, then plus x. Then in place of sec square x, we replace what? 1 all over what? Cos square x. Then everything all over 2 minus tan x here is the same as sin x all over cosine x, then all square. This is going to be equal to, then in this numerator, we're going to multiply through by the LCM. We have cos x here and cos square x in the denominator. What is the LCM? The LCM is going to be cos square x. So we multiply through by what? Cosine square x. And here we have 2 minus sin x over cos x. So the LCM here is sin x. So we multiply this also through by what? Cosine x. So this is going to be equal to cos square x multiplied by 2 is going to give us 2 cosine square x. Then minus cos square x multiplied by sin x over cos x. Cosine x will cancel one of the cosine x from here. It will remain only 1 cosine x. Then that cosine x multiplied by sin x is going to give us what? Sin s cosine x. Then plus cos square x multiplied by 1 is cos square x. Then that cos square x divided this cos square x is going to be 1. Then x multiplied by 1 is going to be the same as x. Then everything all over cos x multiplied by 2 is going to give us 2 cosine x. Then cos x multiplied by sin x, cos x will cancel cos x, it will remain only sin x. So this is going to be what? Minus sin x, then all square. So here is the derivative of this function with respect to x. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.